Hi everybody, Geraldine Rose here. Hey, have you ever tried something that you knew wasn't you, but you went ahead and did it anyway, and then you weren't quite happy with it? I'll just say right off the bat that this is not one of my normal cards, not what people expect from me. It is good enough to send out for a birthday card, though. It was for a birthday hop that we had over on Instagram for someone who had a very special birthday, a big 5-0. And I had just recently watched one of Jennifer McGuire's videos, and I've been trying to simplify my cards up a little bit, not make them so busy and stuff, so that A, they're less time processing, B, I can mail them out because they're not as thick, and then I can get videos done quicker for everybody too, right? Um, but there was something that I learned years ago when I was an artist where I was trying to do Picasso style and I was trying to do Mondrian style and then I was trying to paint like Kandinsky, and I finally figured out, you know what? I'm not Kandinsky. I can't paint like Kandinsky. I can only paint like Geraldine. I can only be me. So I'm not really happy with this card, but lesson learned. I need to craft like me. And coincidentally, we had a conversation going in one of the Instagram chats about the same thing, about set styles that we all are known for or that we get in that rut in. And me, I love jumping from style to style to style, even though I am apparently known as a mixed media queen and the ombre queen. But that places a lot of expectation on me because those are so time intensive to get one of those beautiful layered up ones. And oh yes, they are works of art. I'll own that, and thank you very much for the compliment. But they take so long to do. They're so thick to mail out. It's extra postage. And when they get there, I'm being more selective about who they go to now because I've sent out beautiful ones like that, and I was never even acknowledged that they got to the person. Like over the last 2 years, I've probably sent out about 150 cards. I literally have gotten maybe 15 in return, and they're always from a couple of steady friends. So I don't know what's wrong with us. This is the crafty community. Like we should be making each other cards back and forth. And so I have to deal with either hurt feelings with that or thinking that, well, maybe I'm overfacing them because people might think that one of their cards isn't good enough to send me back. But I think you can tell from my birthday giveaway video that I was tickled pink. I got a couple of really cute cards. And just the fact that people thought of me and sent them. But I'm right now, thinking about, well, what style do I do? What am I happy with? And also, okay, you've spent over $300 in postage in the last year or so, and I'm retired. I've got a very limited budget. I've got no income coming in right now, and I can't afford it. I can't afford to keep sending cards out anymore, except to people that I know are going to reciprocate. So I was working through all these feelings as I was doing this card and trying to do what Jennifer had done with the candles up at the top. You can see I flashed all the names there of the stuff that I was using. And, you know, putting this card together and having that surprise on the inside that I've got the black and white tiramisu birthday cake on the front, and on the inside it turns into this beautiful dreamy rainbow colored one. And the rainbow thing is because it's June, it is Pride Month. I'm very lucky with that my birthday month is the rainbow month. So that's all good. This was the part where I was masking off below the piece of cake on the inside so that I would ground it a little bit better. And I was using a lot of the purples and the pinks for this person because I understand that that's her favorite color. Coming in just with alcohol markers to color up the blueberries. And what I had done on the front was cut the candles out of a patterned cardstock, and then I went back over each of them with an ink wash to do the rainbow colors. The happy birthday, you wouldn't believe how I had to resist making this color, but it's like, no, you need to make the big sentiment that's on the front only in white. So I cut out a few layers of it, glued them together, over on the side here, you can see that I've got the 5-0, which I'm going to put over top, and I used that same pattern paper that I had for the candles. The candles, I used alcohol markers to color the flames up at the top. I went back over top of them after, again with the colors for each respective candle so that they would be in a sort of a rainbow order, and it was to mute out the white a little bit more. Then ranger stickles got to have a little shine on it. So each of the candles got little stickles. And then up at the top for the candle flames, because they looked a little funny with the candles being shiny but not the top, I came in glossy accents for them and gave them a little shine. And I'm looking at it now going, oh, I am not happy with this. There's just something wrong with this. It's very similar to what Jennifer did, with a matte in the background and all. So I thought, well, I'll bring in some of the Nouveau Aqua Shimmer pen. I haven't had that out in a while. And I put a slight shimmer across the happy birthday. And then I threw a bunch of sequins down. And I realized that's what it needed. It needed a uniting element between the top portion and the bottom 1/3. And those confetti sequins just bring it all together. And of course, bring in that party element. So for the envelope, we are bringing in the tiramisu on the outside. And then I grabbed out the little sentiment that was from that, which was perfectly fabulous because, 5 O's are big birthdays. So here we are. That's the finished card. One of our crafty friends said she just wants to make pretty things that make everyone smile. And really, isn't that what it's all about? So I thought to myself, hey, I gotta walk this talk that I'm talking, and so that's why I'm being the change I want to see in the world and sending this out. So you guys all go do the same. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. We'll catch y'all next time. Bye-bye, everybody.